So if you've got a Swiss travel pass, it's not accepted here. It's a private entity. Hello. We'd like to get the 15 minute.
Yes.
And how much is it per person?
7 each.
7 each. So it's 14 francs.
Would you like to go at 1 o'clock in 7 minutes or with the next one at 1:12?
Maybe the next one.
The next one. The next one. Yeah, that's 14. Thank you. The next one
Yes.
at 1:12.
Thank you.
Gate number 4.
Thank you. So this is the ticket. It's 7 francs per person because she doesn't want to go up the cliff. ขี้เกียจปีน เดี๋ยวกลัวหลุดจากอะไรนะเขา so อันนี้ถูกกว่าอีกครับก็ละ7 ฟรังก์อะประมาณเท่าไหร่250ประมาณ250 บาท2 คนก็ประมาณ500ก็โอเคนะครับไม่นานด้วย15 นาทีเองสีน้ำเงินตอนนี้แดดกำลังดีด้วยใช่ครับไม่หนาวไม่ร้อนเลือกคันไหนดีครับลองอันนี้ไหมคันนี้ดีสุดมี Opel อยู่ในไทยไม่มีแล้ว Opel so once you get the tickets that right there you can now go to the pier. This is the ticket that they use. It's $2.50, so it's very reasonable price. But if you go up the top, the cliff, you have to pay about 20 francs. So 20 francs should be about 700 baht. $700 baht per person, so that would be about 1,500 baht for 2 people. So we're going to pier number 4 for the blue line. It leaves at 1 and now it's almost 1, 5 to 1. So we don't have to hurry. There's still lots of time. So this is for the blue line number 4. And while waiting for the boat or for your tour, you can, do your business or take a leak here if you want to go. So this is for the tour number 2, and the blue line 4 is here. And number 1 is right here, the yellow. The yellow tour is for the the blue line.
Okay.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you. Alrighty. So this is our boat. So we can choose which seat we are going to take. ข้างหลังดีไหมข้างหลังมีน้องหมาด้วย Hello. Hi. Cute. How old is he or she? 3 years old. Oh, which breed is she?
His name is
Snoopy.
Jack Russell.
Jack Russell. Wow.
Russell Parson with the long legs.
Long legs, right.
Yes.
But
legs like Julia Roberts.
Sexy. Sexy. Oh, very cute.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines and she's from Thailand.
Welcome here to Germany.
Switzerland.
From Germany.
Yeah, thank you.
And we're on our way to the Lake Constance.
Lake Constance.
Bodensee, Lake Constance.
In Germany?
Yeah.
In Germany.
Constance.
Constance.
It's 3 countries.
3 countries.
Germany, Switzerland, and Austria.
Austria.
It's,
I see.
50 kilometers.
Oh.
Up the Rhine.
The Rhine, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
By car or by train?
By mobile.
mobile
Mobile home.
home.
Yes.
RV.
Yes.
An RV.
Yes.
Wow.
We can sleep
So,
and we have
right, you have your puppy.
Yes. We
Oh,
are,
wow.
We are,
I see.
At the age we love to have our toilet.
Yes,
with
yes,
us.
yes. So how long have you been traveling in the 3 countries?
Yes.
How long? How long?
No, only we go now to Munich
Munich
and to Berlin.
to Berlin.
Also, and we are also 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
But in Switzerland, how long?
No, one day. And I will drive
Okay.
in the Switzerland,
Okay.
in the mountains.
mountains.
Okay, okay. I see, I see.
For 1-2 days. We will
Oh,
see.
I see.
Our
Yes, it's beautiful. Yes.
จริงนะน่าไม่น่าติด
ตอนนี้เราอยู่บนเรือแล้วนะครับ เห็นธงชาติสวิตเซอร์แลนด์ ตอนนี้เรากำลังจะออกเรือประมาณ ตอนนี้แหละนะครับ คนขับเรือมาแล้วกำลังจะออกแล้ว
นี่ private tour
เหมือน private tour
started, yes.
It's like a private tour. There's only about
Yes.
4 couples. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's wet there. It's nothing like this. Wow.
Wow. อันนี้ก็สวิตเซอร์แลนด์เหมือนกัน
อ๋อก็ขึ้นทางไหนเนาะอ๋อ มีเรือเขาไปจอดตรงนั้นให้ขึ้นไปเลยคุณแดนไอ้นั่งตัวตรงมากเลยเนี่ย
กลัวอะไรไม่ได้ ว้าว ว้าว มาแล้ววู้ฮู้มาถึงแล้วนะครับโอ้
แรงมาก
แรงมากนะครับ very strong current wow oh wow yes แรงมากๆเลยครับน้ำโอ้โห โอ้ว้าววู้ฮู้วู้ What? You can feel the water, the spray. We're getting wet now. Oh man! Look at this.
ไม่ได้ใส่เสื้อกันฝนว้ากรี๊ด
Wow! Look at that! Oh man! It's beautiful! So beautiful! Wow! Majestic rainfalls!
Greatest in Europe.
That's right! Very beautiful! Wow! ปียกนะครับไม่มี raincoat ไม่มี
ซ้อมไปก่อน
ซ้อมไปก่อน
เผื่รอบหน้าได้ไปแนงก็ได้
ไป Niagara Falls ที่แคนาดาบ้าง หรือที่อเมริกา ซ้อมไปก่อน อันนี้นะครับเป็นอะไรตึกโบราณมากเลย very beautiful old house building right there beautiful
น้ำเย็นชื่นใจ
very cold water one more time Last night it was raining.
I love it. The rain.
Right. The bubble. Relaxing. Yeah. It's like ASMR.
Yeah.
Rain. Right. Uh-huh.
Not so much.
Very dry.
This year.
Very dry. Oh. This year.
All the water we need for the fall.
You need it.
Yes.
Wow. 15 นาทีไง
กำลังดีน่าจะมีรถไฟมาด้วย
รถไฟ มาอีกรอบนะครับ
รอบสอง
รอบที่
รอบแรกยังวันน่ะอากาศดีเย็น
This is like a private tour. There's only about 8 people on board except the captain of the boat. So it's very private trip. And now we are approaching the falls once again. Look at the current, the strong waters from the falls. Look at that. Wow. The engine is roaring. And little puppy is excited as well.
Once more.
One more time. One more time. Wow. Again, look at this. Woo. You can feel the spray of the water. Oh wow. Oh wow. love it. We love it. Very nice view, beautiful. Rhine Falls. We just took a shower. Also took a shower. Also took a shower. Hello. Hả?
มันมาก
เปียก
เอาเปียก
เปียกหมดเลยครับเปียกหมดเลย shower rainfall 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 shower
Rhine water.
rain water it's for skin exfoliation and now we're going back. I think that's about 15 minutes. Maybe it's it's
ขอให้มีความรักนะคะ
เปียกเลยครับแต่สนุกมากมาสวิตเซอร์แลนด์ต้องมาที่ Rhine Falls นะครับคุ้มมาก
รอบสามเนี่ยสุดยอด
ๆสุดยอดสุดเลย
ใต้น้ำเลยอ่ะขนาดนั่งพายเรือถ้าคนที่อยู่ข้างหน้านี่จะรู้สึกแบบร้อนมาก
And actually you don't have to pay for the entrance for the park, but you have to, if you want to go on the boat tour, you need to pay about the cheapest is about 3 francs, but that's only about 3 minutes. It's very short trip, so
เดียวค่ะ
and maybe it's just one time. And the next one is about 7 francs. That's for the blue. This is the blue tour, the blue line. So we paid only about 7 francs each. So that's 14 francs for both of us. And 30 minutes. If you want to go to that cliff right there, you need to pay about, how much was it? 20 francs. That is the yellow line. If you want to go up the cliff. But we didn't want to go up there, so we just took this boat here. It's about 15-minute ride, and 3 times you go to the falls. A lot of fun, so exciting. And we met new friends as well.
Yes.
They're from Germany.
From the north of Germany.
North of Germany, and they're a little pup. Who?
You both were very lovely.
Thank you. You too. You are. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Such people, us.
Yes.
We, us, and the whole world.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we had a good place.
Yeah.
We wish you all the
Yes,
best.
we, likewise. All the best to you and to little pup as well. Okay. เสร็จแล้วนะครับ เรียบร้อย
ได้เวลา
อันนี้ได้เวลาแล้ว เรียบร้อยครับ Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So that was very well worth it for the 7 francs that we paid for this blue, and that is the green 30 minutes, and this is another 30 minutes I guess, but that is going to the cliff if you want to go up there. Anyways,
หนาวขึ้นมา
it's now time check, it's about 1:15. Still the weather is so cool, it's not hot at all, even though we get some sunshine. Still the weather is so cool. Very nice place to visit, and it's we just got lucky because it's not raining, and last night it was raining like so. Anyways, that's about it for the Rhine Falls trip, guys, and we're gonna check out the souvenir shop right here. let's go and check out the place. We'll see what they have. So Switzerland is very famous for watches, Swiss watches. They have watches for sale here, and also some wooden cow figurine, very small. There's also doggies and horses, wood carvings, and they have also gin, Toblerone special edition for Rijnfol. It says here, I love Rijnfol Toblerone. And we're going to Zermatt, and we're gonna see the Matterhorn after that. And this one is 59 francs or 60 francs for this one. This is 67. And they have like caps here, Swiss caps with a Switzerland flag. And here is, what's this? Mandlik something. I'm not sure what that, oh no, it's like a .ch, so it's Mandly cap. And there is this, and there's a hat here, I love Rijnfol. So these are cowbells. We haven't seen any cows as yet, as we're just still in Zurich. We have visited only Zurich, and we're going to the other parts of Switzerland later. So they've got key rings here, and pens, and nice swatches, Bergen miniature clocks. We have the Swiss magnet, Swiss flag magnet. เท่าไหร่ ไม่มีราคา นี่ไง 5 6 เท่าไหร่ So there's a cow head, 9 francs 90 cents. And 6, about 180 or 200 baht for this one each. 200 baht. They have a snow globe and some miniature cups and mugs. And this is 300 baht for the small souvenir cup, but we're not going to buy anything as yet, as we're not going back, and it's just going to be heavy a burden to carry with us going around Switzerland. So maybe we'll be buying souvenirs when on our probably the last day of our tour. They've got some beanies, cute beanies right here, and some bags. Oh, an oversized pencil, says Switzerland, and an ID holder. I don't know what this is, a holder, and some key rings, cowbells right here, and stuffed plushies, very cute, and the famous Swiss Army knives right here, Victorinox. Wow, lots of choices. There's made of wood and some from plastic. So the price ranges from 19 Swiss francs to 100 Swiss francs. That's really, really interesting. They've got some stickers. Rijnfol, 3 francs. ลองไหม มีสติกเกอร์ด้วย Rijnfol 3 เท่าไหร่อ่ะ 100 So that's it for the souvenir shop tour, guys. That's Rijnfol tours. And the famous cow, Swiss cows. So that's about it. And those are the pink boats. there's another souvenir shop right here, a gift shop. So from Rainfalls, it's time to sign off. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
เจอกัน